Hello everybody, it is Tuesday, December 8th, 2020, and we're going to be doing another look here at the intersection improvements at 28 and 66, and we're going to check out some of the new bridges that have opened recently, including the Widening Road, Braddock Road overpass, and the Poplar Tree Bridge extension. So we'll start heading up north here and check it out. They also opened the new permanent ramp from 28 north to 66 east. You can see over there, that's the old road alignment. And this is the new alignment. There on the right is the exit ramp. See if we can squeeze in right here. I actually have not checked out this exit ramp yet, so this is first for me as well. Still working on the ramp to go to either 66 or 28 south from either of these two roads. So we'll just we'll go on Braddock Road first. Very nice. This is the new permanent alignment of Braddock Road. You can see work continues on adding more new ramps to complete this interchange. This is all part of the Braddock Road, the I-66 outside the Beltway Hot Lanes project. So that's a quick look at the Braddock Road interchange, Braddock and Walney interchange. We'll have to turn around here and see if we can head back the other way to get to Walney Road. I don't know if that portion of the interchange is complete yet. Just make a little U-turn here. Let's see what happens if we go this way. Wait for traffic here. Yeah, we'll wait for this guy. All right. Still doing a lot of earthwork and blasting and demolition as part of all this. Alright, so I believe eventually you will be able to go straight across there and connect over to Walney Road, but it doesn't look like you're able to do that right now. But these are that new ramp on the right takes you to 66 west from Braddock Road. And then if you stay in this lane, you can get on either 28 south or 66 east. Now, interestingly, this area right here has become a bit of a choke point during the afternoon rush because of the short merge area, but that ramp is not in its permanent configuration, so that will go away eventually. But right now it is a bit of a choke point, so if you're heading down 28 south and you're not heading to 66, I suggest you stay in the leftmost lane to avoid the traffic. You can see they're still working on the retaining wall and such. We'll have to do a little U-turn up here. Back toward Widening Road. This guy's from Alaska. Long drive. Now, another project which is also getting started is the widening of 28, basically from here all the way to the Prince William County line. So that's something else we'll have to keep an eye on, and it'll tie into whatever improvements they do on 28 as far south as they go with the Hot Lanes project. Head back again, and we'll check out the Widening Road side of things. Working on closing in this noise wall that they had to modify for these new ramps. At least all the lights are gone now. All the lights on 28 between 29, Centerville, and all the way up to Route 7 are now gone, which is awesome. Guys that just saw me or come through here are gonna have deja vu. Say, what the heck is wrong with that guy? We'll go right this time. And now you can see we're back on the other side of things here, up where Cabell's Mill Park is. I'm gonna head this way. See, they're still doing some road repairs and earthwork around here too. And that's the end of the road work around here. So come back in a little bit, and we'll check out the Poplar Tree Road Bridge and other improvements going on 28 and 66. Alright guys, so here we are at the end of Newbrook Road, and this is the new Poplar Tree Road extension. So ahead of us is the Eleanor C. Lawrence Park, and you used to not be able to turn right here, but now, as you can see, there's a road here, there's a pathway, and up ahead is the new bridge. So this is also part of the I-66 outside the Beltway Hot Lanes project. All these improvements on Route 28 and so surrounding roads. There below us is 28. We are safely passing over it right now. And if we go to the left here, we'll go into the E.C. Lawrence Park athletic fields. I did do a video on this earlier, but we'll take another drive down here and see how things are looking. And interestingly, that bridge that we just drove over is actually built for 4 lanes instead of 2. So right now it is striped for 2 lanes, and then when the road is widened in the future, they won't have to widen the bridge. Smart thinking. So as you can see, this is the new road for the access to the athletic fields. There's a new jogging path on the right. This is where that stupid light was that would let you turn left or right out of the athletic fields. That was that was the first light to go away on 28 as part of this project. But as you can see now, they're putting up the noise wall. So now this is how the new permanent access to and from these athletic fields. Also added some new parking spots as well. Very nice job. And just do a little drive around here. Nobody's here today. I guess it's too cold outside. This is where you used to go out to access the light. Now it's a nice noise wall. We'll just head back up here and then we'll take a drive south down 28. Still got a couple more beams to put in the ground right there. Some more panels to put up here. Precast concrete noise wall. And as you can see, you get this is the where the bridge will dump you out into the shopping center area. Blah. Now we'll head down south toward 66. eventually this will be 4 lanes wide, so it'll eliminate that problem. And it's about 3 o'clock, so normally there would be traffic on the road, but as you can see, without the lights, it's pretty free-flowing right now. Here's where you can see the traffic backing up from the new ramp to 66 West. And that's where most of the source of the delays are now. And there is a bit of a weave and merge on this new ramp to 66 East right now. But again, that'll be taken care of once this project is done. You can see the old pavement from 28 over there on the left. And that's all that they've done for now. So a lot of improvements have already taken place, and more to come in the future. And this project is supposed to wrap up I think the express lanes are supposed to open in 2022, and all the wrap-up work will probably take another year or so. So 2023 is probably when everything will be all wrapped up. But thanks for watching, as always, and we'll do another update in the near future. So like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.